Here's a little secret hiding in your kitchen that's been underestimated for way too long. Baking soda, this humble white powder you only reach for during baking emergencies or when your fridge needs a quick refresh, has some of the most incredible health benefits you never imagined. From supercharging your workouts to becoming your body's detox hero, this natural powerhouse has some mind-blowing tricks up its sleeve. We're going to uncover the science behind how this pantry staple can help with everything from heartburn to skincare, and even give your workouts a boost. So, stick around and prepare to discover the incredible health magic of baking soda. Let's face it, we've all been there. That uncomfortable burning sensation after a spicy meal, that's heartburn, and it's caused by stomach acid creeping up your esophagus. But before you reach for the antacids, did you know baking soda can offer fast, effective relief? Baking soda is a natural antacid. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, providing you with almost instant relief from heartburn and indigestion. Think of it like this. Baking soda swoops in and calms the acidic storm brewing in your stomach. Here's how to use it. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. But remember, drink it slowly. This allows your stomach to adjust and prevents any discomfort from drinking it too quickly. Now, while baking soda is generally safe for occasional use, it's not a long-term solution. If you experience frequent heartburn, it's crucial to consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. A healthy smile can light up a room, and guess what? Baking soda can help you achieve just that. You might be surprised to learn that baking soda is a natural teeth whitener. Think about the things that stain your teeth. Coffee, tea, even certain foods. These can leave your pearly whites looking a little less than pearly. Baking soda works its magic by gently removing surface stains, revealing a brighter smile underneath. You can easily incorporate baking soda into your oral hygiene routine in a couple of ways. First, you can make a paste by mixing baking soda with a little bit of water and use it as you would regular toothpaste. Alternatively, you can add a teaspoon of baking soda to your usual toothpaste for an extra whitening boost. Just remember, moderation is key. We all long for healthy, radiant skin, and it turns out that baking soda can be a valuable ally in achieving that goal. Whether you're battling acne or simply want to revitalize your complexion, baking soda offers a natural and effective solution. Baking soda possesses gentle exfoliating properties, making it a fantastic natural remedy for acne. It works by gently removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to breakouts. Plus, its alkaline nature helps neutralize the pH of your skin, creating an environment less hospitable to acne-causing bacteria. To harness the power of baking soda for clearer skin, create a simple paste by combining baking soda with a bit of water. Apply this paste to your face, focusing on areas prone to acne or blackheads. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Spending time outdoors is fantastic, but pesky insect bites and stings, not so much. The itching, the swelling, the constant urge to scratch, it's enough to drive anyone crazy. But before you reach for over-the-counter creams, consider this. Baking soda can provide soothing relief from those itchy woes. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties work wonders in reducing the swelling and itching associated with insect bites. It's like a calming balm for your skin, helping to alleviate the discomfort and irritation caused by those pesky buggers. Creating a soothing baking soda paste is simple. Just mix a small amount of baking soda with water until it forms a thick paste. Apply this paste directly to the affected area, allowing it to work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Not only does baking soda provide relief from itching, but it can also help reduce the appearance of those unsightly bite marks. Let's talk about urinary tract infections, or UTIs, a common and often uncomfortable health concern. UTIs occur when bacteria invade the urinary tract, leading to symptoms like pain, burning during urination, and frequent urges to go. While it's crucial to consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment, baking soda can offer some temporary relief from UTI symptoms. How? Baking soda acts as an alkalizing agent, helping to neutralize the acidity in your urine. This can be particularly helpful in reducing the burning sensation that often accompanies UTIs. Think of it as soothing the inflammation and irritation in your urinary tract. To potentially ease UTI discomfort, try mixing a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it. If you suspect you have a UTI, it's essential to see your doctor promptly for proper diagnosis and treatment. Looking for a natural way to enhance your workouts and push your limits further? You might be surprised to learn that baking soda could be your secret weapon. It's true. Baking soda has gained popularity as a natural performance enhancer, particularly for high-intensity exercise. During intense physical activity, our muscles produce lactic acid, which is that burning sensation you feel when you push yourself hard. Baking soda helps neutralize this lactic acid buildup, delaying fatigue and allowing you to work out harder for longer. Consider adding a small amount of baking soda, about half a teaspoon, to your pre-workout drink. Mix it well with water or your favorite sports beverage, but remember, more is not always better. It's important to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products from our blood, and maintaining their health is crucial for overall well-being. Research suggests that baking soda might offer potential benefits for people with chronic kidney disease, or CKD. In CKD, the kidneys struggle to remove acid from the blood effectively, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, can help neutralize this excess acid, potentially slowing the progression of CKD. However, it's crucial to emphasize that baking soda is not a substitute for conventional medical treatment for CKD. If you have been diagnosed with kidney disease, it's essential to work closely with your doctor to develop a personalized treatment plan. They can guide you on the appropriate dosage of baking soda if necessary, and monitor your kidney function regularly. The common cold, with its stuffy nose, sore throat, and persistent cough, can really put a damper on your day. While rest and fluids are essential for recovery, baking soda can offer some relief from those pesky cold symptoms. Baking soda acts as a natural decongestant by helping to break up mucus in your nasal passages. This can make it easier to breathe and alleviate that stuffy nose feeling. Additionally, its alkaline nature can help soothe a sore throat by neutralizing the acidity that often contributes to irritation. For a soothing baking soda gargle, mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Gargle with this solution for about 30 seconds, then spit it out and repeat as needed. Remember, while baking soda can provide temporary relief from cold symptoms, it's not a cure. Maintaining a balanced pH level in our bodies is essential for optimal health. pH refers to the acidity or alkalinity of a solution, and our blood needs to stay within a slightly alkaline range for our cells and organs to function properly. While our bodies have natural mechanisms to regulate pH, factors like diet and stress can sometimes disrupt this balance. Baking soda, with its alkalizing properties, can help nudge your body back towards a healthy pH level. Think of baking soda as a gentle buffer, helping to counteract excess acidity. When consumed in small amounts, baking soda can help neutralize acid in the bloodstream, promoting a more balanced pH environment. However, it's crucial to emphasize that more is not always better when it comes to baking soda. It's best to consult with your doctor before regularly using baking soda for pH balancing, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Looking for a natural and effective way to combat body odor? Look no further than your pantry. Baking soda has gained popularity as a natural deodorant thanks to its ability to neutralize odors at the source. Unlike conventional deodorants that simply mask body odor with fragrance, baking soda tackles the root cause bacteria. Sweat itself doesn't actually smell, it's the bacteria on our skin that break down sweat, producing those unpleasant odors. Baking soda's alkaline nature creates an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive. Plus, it absorbs moisture, keeping you feeling fresh and dry throughout the day. To make your own DIY deodorant, simply mix a small amount of baking soda with a bit of coconut oil or shea butter. Apply this mixture to your underarms like you would regular deodorant. Embrace the power of baking soda for a natural and effective way to stay fresh and confident all day long. From soothing heartburn to boosting your workouts, this pantry staple is a true health hack hero. Remember, while baking soda offers a wide range of potential benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly and consult with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Now, I'm curious, what's your favorite way to use baking soda? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of natural remedies.